Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today because I received some happy mail. Yay! Thank you, thank you. This happy mail is from Tona, and I do apologize, Tona, if I'm saying your name incorrectly. She is a subscriber of mine and she did participate in my challenge and she's a super sweet lady. Thank you so much for sending me a little bit of happy mail. She had recently watched my Tuesday morning haul that I just recently shared, and I had shared some of the Spellbinders contour dyes, and she left a comment saying that she had picked up one of the dyes, but not realizing that you had to have the Spellbinders Platinum die cut machine to use it with. And she said, I picked up a dye and I can't use it, so I'm gonna just send it to you. And I said, oh, that's so super sweet. And she sent it so quickly, like this was just a few days ago. So thank you so much, Tona. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dive on in. I just took everything out of the box. So let me just, I'm gonna start with this right here. So I'm just taking it out of the wrapping. Oh my gosh. Look at this bunny, you guys. She sent me a purple Easter bunny. Oh my gosh. Did you make this? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think she bought it somewhere. It looks like there's like a little tag on there, but how adorable is this Easter bunny? She's going in my kitchen and I love the purple sequence bow. And look, she even has pearls and a purple headband. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Isn't that super cute? Thank you for that. I love it, yay, thank you. And then she's so super sweet. She sent me some ice cream cone paper clips. And she sent me some cozy socks, and I have wood floors throughout my entire house. I have no carpet, so we wear these socks all the time. So thank you so much for these fuzzy socks. Then she also sent me some super cute washi tape. Look at that super cute washi. It has little cute cacti and the unicorns. Oh, that's really nice. Thank you for that. I don't have that washi. And look, she sent me some wooden clips. These are really, really pretty. Are these from Target? Yep, they're from Target. I wonder if this is in their new Easter section. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you so much. How cute, in all pastel colors. And then she sent me, what does it say? This is a pen, Enjoy. Oh my gosh, this is a lipstick pen, you guys. Oh my goodness, how do you open it? Oh my gosh, okay. I'm not sure even how to open it. I'm gonna figure it off camera. I don't wanna break it. Thank you so much. It's really pretty. I could stand it up on my desk. How cute. And then look at this cute embellishment right here. She's a little cowgirl. Absolutely adorable. Thank you so much. Yep, cowgirl doll. Oh, love it. She even has like bling on her little necklace right there, if you can see that. Absolutely cute. Okay, so this is the die, and I don't know which one it is, but we're gonna flip it over and turn it around. Oh, it's the Happy Friday, but oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. So I'm gonna try to share it with you guys this way. This is the die, and it makes that really pretty French fry box. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. That's so awesome. Yay. I have a tiny, I have a very tiny fry box for my creative time. It's about literally like this bitty. It's a really, really tiny one, and this one looks much bigger. So, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this, and I will probably send you some happy mail creating something with this, with goodies inside. Tona, thank you so much for sending me happy mail. I truly appreciate it. And you guys, if you are not familiar with her YouTube channel, I'm gonna link it in the description box below because she does have a YouTube channel. So go over there and sub to her, see what she's creating. She's a super sweet lady. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.